I really enjoyed the park, the biopark. Since I was a very young child, I've always wanted to work with animals and learn about animals and all that. And so that aspect was really important for me. And I really enjoyed that they're rescuing them, and it's zero animal cruelty, and it was really motivating.
I loved going to the biopark because I found it was so nice to see animals that you don't usually see in Switzerland, that you would only see in a zoo, but I don't like going to zoos because the animals have been taken from their natural habitat. So it was nice to be able to appreciate them in a way that you know they're safe and this is the best situation for them, and they were just really nice, they were cute.
I just realized how dedicated can people be, and they actually respect, they only not work for money. They care about the environment, the animals and everything.
The reason I choose nature conservation is because my parents also does many business related to nature, and also I personally like nature. So I really realized the importance of nature conservation.